Hi, Bruce Mayashti here, and in this video I'd like to suggest a definition of process. A process is a defined set of activities which we can describe through a series of steps and then further broken down into tasks that shows how a series of inputs is transformed into an output of value to the customer of that process. Now, what kind of inputs can we have? The first type, tools. These tools can range from something very simple like a hammer all the way to a sophisticated tool like artificial intelligence software. Second type, materials. These materials could be a solid, a liquid, or a gas. The third type, energy. So for example, a particular process may require energy to be applied to transform a set of materials into steel. Or you might have a process that involves a great deal of computation, and so a lot of energy is required to power the server farm of this process. The fourth type is information. So for example, a process like a medical procedure may require information from the patient as an input. And the fifth type, people. You may have a process which is fully automated, so therefore there's no people involved, semi-automated, or not at all. You don't necessarily have to have all 5 categories in a given process. It'll be some combination of one or more. In terms of output, there are 3 generic types. The first kind of output is a physical output. So some sort of widget, a car, a pancake, a cup of coffee. The second type is you might have a process that transforms information into another type of information, higher value added, or the process results in a decision. So it takes a set of inputs and a decision is made or is made possible by this process. And the third type is an experience. And by experience, I mean that the output of the process needs to be experienced by the customer. So an example might be, say we have a process which is the check-in procedure at a hotel. So an output would be the customer's experience of the quality of that in terms of, did it feel long? Did it feel friendly and welcoming, and so forth. So this is a definition of process in terms of inputs and its transformation into an output.